Two new electronic payment methods for individuals and companies will be introduced in mid-2025, part of moves to phase out cheques. They will be available on digital banking platforms of 7 major banks, including DBS, OCBC and UOB. Now, to give businesses more time to transit, the deadline to stop processing corporate cheques will be extended to December 2026.
This paint shop at Toa Payoh has been using cheques to pay its suppliers for the past 16 years, but it's now considering other payment methods.
Once the checkbook finish, I don't think so we will continue because there is a cost charges there on the bank.
Instead, they can now schedule post-dated transactions with just a few clicks on their banking apps. 2 new electronic deferred payment systems, EDP and EDP Plus, will be rolled out from mid-next year. Both systems leverage Pay Now to identify parties. The difference is when funds are deducted. With EDP, when the recipient presents the payment, and for EDP Plus, the money is deducted immediately.
As the corporates transit out of cheques into digital payment, we want to provide them with the capability to continue the business practice of post-dated cheques and guaranteed payments. Without the cheques, it's going to improve their efficiency, their processes, and their administration and be more efficient.
This transaction comes as the volume of cheques is expected to drop to under 9 million this year, down from 13.8 million in 2023. Still, retail cheques, along with cashier's orders and US dollar cheques, will remain available. Major retail banks in Singapore will also continue to waive cheque service fees for seniors, so that cheque users like Susan will have more time to transit.
Online transaction, for me, I need somebody to guide me, frankly speaking. If I go alone, I don't think so I can do it. Somebody can guide me. I think I can learn, can try.
The Monetary Authority of Singapore has released a public consultation paper outlining the transition plan. Interested parties can submit their feedback by 17 January next year.